Attention viewer, you are watching the world's biggest monster truck diecast YouTube channel. This is Monster Jam OCD.
Well, welcome back everyone to another Monster Jam OCD review video. Today we are taking a look at another Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Target exclusive deco truck. And this is not this Iron Man, but this brand new exclusive deco edition of Iron Man. And there's no specific name for this model, but what I relate it to is, I believe it's called the Silver Centurion or something like that, Iron Man suit. It's something from the comic books. I don't know the comics well, so if you guys know anything about the background of a silver and red Iron Man suit, please comment below, because they didn't specify it on the packaging. They just call it Iron Man. So we have two different Iron Mans this year. The normal, or more popular, I guess you would say, gold and red armor, which is part of the normal series, as you can see, number 75 of 75 for 2020. And then we have the, as I call it, the Silver Centurion, or however you pronounce that, Iron Man here with the silver and the red. So this is the one that's Target exclusive. As you can see there, it says exclusive deco with the rendering. It's for 2020. There's the insert tag there with Iron Man himself. And this one just has the Iron Man logo and some background graphics there. And then you can see the colors are very similar. The only thing that's different really between the silver and the gold is the fact that the rims aren't gold on this, but they are silver on this. But everything else is the same color, just swapped with silver and gold. And on the back of this packaging here, this is the Silver Centurion edition. We have the normal Iron Man, Scorpedo, Iron Man, the Silver Edition, Twin Mill with the drag race car tires. We have 5-alarm, Chewbacca, Bigfoot, and Piranha. And then on this edition, which is Case M, which I will review in the future at some point, we have Scorpedo Zombie Rex instead of the Iron Man Silver, and the rest are the same. So this is the Iron Man from Case M. There's the back of the packaging for that one. There's the stats there. The name is Iron Man. The truck type is character. The strength is armor. The crash tech is repulsor raid. And the motivation is to avenge the wrongs of evildoers. So that's the stats for both Iron Man, or I should say Iron Men in this case. But the packaging is different. You can see the difference in the graphic used on the back. So there is the back of that one. There's the back of that one. We're going to unbox both here today to compare them. I will do another Case M review in the future when I get the rest of it. But we're going to unbox this regular Iron Man number 75 out of 75 first. So here we go. And as you can see, the bottom of the packaging is red for Marvel, which would usually be orange on every other Hot Wheels case. So here is the Iron Man. This is the crush car it comes with. And then we have the Silver Centurion edition. Let's unbox that. And this is the exclusive one. It comes with a yellow crush van. So here they are together for the first time, the Iron Men. We have the normal gold one, which is the first one I'm actually seeing this casting in person. And I gotta say, it's actually one of the better superhero castings that they've made into the monster truck form. I really like the gold chrome edition of this plastic insert. I also really enjoy the clear plastic they used for the exhaust or the rocket boosters here. These are just super awesome. And the main part here on the front and the top window. I just really like the clear piece, so that's awesome. And then it has a dark red chassis with a reflective gold roll cage and red rims. So there is the Iron Man. It also has a very nice dark cherry red, actually almost a maroon color paint job. So this is a really nice, not the best conversion ever, not the best casting to put on a truck like this ever, but it's one of the better ones that they've done as a conversion. But I do enjoy the colors a lot. And I also really enjoy them on the silver edition as well. This chrome insert here is awesome. The same rocket boosters in blue and the front there. The roll cage is a reflective silver instead of the gold, and a chrome rim choice for this truck. And then we have also the only decals that are silver and gold are these side plates here on the fenders. So these are just different colors there printed on instead of the actual reflective chrome. So there is the Iron Man and the Iron Man, as we call it, Silver Centurion or something like that. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If not, I'm sure you guys are cringing at it. So anyway, the Silver Iron Man and the regular Iron Man. This is very similar to something we had in the past, which was last year, which actually caused some controversy when they first were released. The Iron Spider and the Spider-Man, these were Target exclusives last year. As you can see, they're very similar in their decos, but as you look closer, they are much different than the first appearance. When I actually received this in the mail for the first time we were seeing Iron Spider, I was very convinced it was normal Spider-Man until I looked at the packaging and took a second look. So as you can see, the difference between these two were a little more pronounced than the Iron Man back there. We have a lot of differences in these colors. So that was the Iron Man and the Iron Spider, Target exclusive Iron Spider here. So that's very similar to this, which was a Target exclusive as well. And then in the same case, we had the Target exclusive Red Hulk and the normal Hulk. So these were also very similar. Obviously, green is much different than red, so is much more of a standout in the Target exclusive line. So you can see there's the differences between these two. So this was also a Target exclusive. So we've had 3 superhero Target exclusive trucks from Hot Wheels. And we will have a 3rd Spider-Man Target exclusive later this year at some point, which is Spider-Man 2099. And I'll put it on screen, credit to Neilco. It actually looks really cool. And I gotta say, it's probably one of my favorites of the superhero Target exclusive trucks so far. I really do enjoy this silver Iron Man, though. I do like the colors a lot. So we'll see what happens when 2099 Spider-Man comes out. I also want to mention briefly the other 2 Target exclusive trucks. This one technically is no longer a Target exclusive because it was found in Best Buy stores, but this one definitely is, which is the Bigfoot number 9. This was also part of 2020's 3 different Target exclusive releases. So we have this one, we have this 2020 Iron Man, and we will have 2099 Spider-Man at some point in Target later this year. So that will wrap up this video. I want to hear your guys' opinions, so please let me know what you guys think about not only the Silver Iron Man, but also the regular Iron Man and the casting work they chose for this truck. Other than that, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. This is Ryan from Monster Jam OCD, signing out.